Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you application of Euler's method to solve linear Diophantine equation. Let us start the topic. Euler's method for solving linear Diophantine equation. Find the positive integer solution of the linear Diophantine equation 11x plus 5y is equal to 79. Now you see the solution. Here 11x plus 5y is equal to 79. Comparing with ax plus by is equal to c, we get a is equal to 11, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 79. So, on comparison of these two equations, we are getting a 11, b 5, c 79. Then the greatest common divisor between A and B, D is equal to greatest common divisor between A and B, that is 11 comma 5 is equal to 1. So now we have to apply Euler's method to solve this linear Diophantine equation. Here 11x plus 5y is equal to 79 and 5 less than 11. So we can write 5y is equal to 79 minus 11x. So this gives us y equals to 79 minus 11x by 5. So we are getting this value. This implies y is equal to 80 minus 1 minus 15x minus 4x divided by 5. So which is equals to 80 minus 15x plus 4x minus 1 by 5. This is equals to 16 minus 3x 4x minus 1 by 5. So here x, so here we are getting y is equal to 16 minus 3x plus 4x minus 1 by 5. Here x and y are positive integers. Here x and y are positive integers. So we have y is equal to 79 minus 11x by 5. Let u is equal to 4x minus 1 by 5. Let u is equal to 4x minus 1 by 5. So this implies 5u is equal to 4x minus 1. So minus 4x is equal to minus 1 minus 5u. So 4x is equal to 5u plus 1. Now x is equal to 5u plus 1 by 4. So we can write this 1 is equal to 4 minus 3. This will be 80 u minus 3u by 4. So this is 4 plus 8u minus 3 minus 3u by 4. So here u is equal to 4x minus 1 by 5. We have taken this expression. This is also integer. Here 5u is equal to 4x minus 1 minus 4x is equal to minus 1 minus 5u. 4x is equal to 5u plus 1. So x can be written like this. So we have x is equal to 4 plus 8u minus 3 minus 3u by 4, which is equal to 1 plus 2u minus of 3u plus 3 by 4. So now here x is a positive integer. So let v is equal to 3u plus 3 by 4, which gives us 4v is equal to 3u plus 3. Now we are getting here v is equal to 3u plus 3 by 4 and 4v is equal to 3u plus 3. If u is equal to 3, then clearly we get v is equal to 3. So in that case, x becomes is equal to 5u plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 5 into 3 plus 1 by 4. This is equal to 16 by 4, which is equal to 4. So we get x is equal to 4. Then the question is 11x plus 5y is equal to 79. So 5y is equal to 79 minus 11x, which is equal to 79 minus 11 into 4. So this is equal to 79 minus 44, which is equal to 35. So this gives us y is equal to 35 by 5 is equal to 7. Therefore we get x is equal to 4, y is equal to 7. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 7 is the required positive solution. So our first problem is completed. Let us proceed to solve the next problem. Now our second question is find the positive integer solution for the equation 7x plus 19y is equal to 213 by Euler's method. Solution. Given 7x plus 19y is equal to 213. Now comparing with x plus by is equal to c. So we get a equals to 7, b is equal to 19, c is equal to 230. Then the greatest common divisor d of a b is equal to 719, greatest common divisor is 1. Now the question which is given to us is an Euler is to be solved by Euler method. So here 7x is equal to 213 minus 19y as 7 less than 19. So we have to divide it by 7. 213 minus 19y by 7. So this gives us 210 plus 3 minus 14y minus 5y by 7. So this implies x is equal to 30 minus 2y plus 3 minus 5y by 7. So we are getting an expression for x which is equal to 30 minus 2y plus 3 minus 5y by 7. So here x, y are positive integer. Let u is equal to 3 minus 5y by 7. So then 7u plus 5y is equal to 3. This implies 5y is equal to 3 minus 7u. So we are getting 5y is equal to 3 minus 7u. So this implies y is equal to 3 minus 7u by 5, which can be written as minus 5y plus 3 minus 2y by 5. So this gives us, this is 5u. So minus u plus 3 minus 2y by 5. So here the question is 7x plus 19y is equal to 230. And we have taken u is equal to 3 minus 5y by 7. Let v is equal to 3 minus 2y by 5. So this means 5v is equal to 3 minus 2 this is 3 minus 7u, this is u. 5u plus 3 minus 2 by 5. So this is actually u. So we get this is u. So v is equal to 3 minus 2u by 5. 5v is equal to 3 minus 2u. So we are getting 2u plus 5v is equal to 3 we are getting. Two u plus 5v is equal to 3. So we get 2u plus 5v is equal to 3. For u is equal to minus 1, we get v is equal to 1. Then here we can get the value of y. Then y is equal to 3 minus 7u by 5, which is 3 plus 7, because u is minus 1 by 5, which is equal to 10 by 5 is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. Then from given equation 7x is equal to 213 minus 19y. So 213 minus 19 into 2. So this gives us 7x is equal to 213 minus 38. So which is 175. This implies x is equal to 25 we get. So x is equal to 25, y is equal to 2. So we have got the value of x is 25, y is equal to 2. Then the general solution is x is equal to x0 plus b by dt, y is equal to y0 plus minus a by dt. So obviously this will be equal to, this implies x is equal to 25. We have 7x plus 19y is equal to 213. So this question is given to us. That means here b is equal to 19 and d is equal to 1. So 19d. X is equal to 25, 19t, because d is equal to 1. And y is equal to y0. y0 means 2 minus 7 by d is 1. So we are getting the general solution here, that is here d is equal to 1. So we are getting x is equal to 25 plus 19t, y is equal to 2 minus 2t. But x and y are positive integers. Then 25 plus 19t greater than 0, 2 minus 70 greater than 0. This gives our 19t greater than minus 25 minus 70 greater than minus 2. So here t greater than minus 25 by 19, 70 less than 2. So t less than 2 by 7. So we get minus 25 by 19 less than t less than 2 by 7. Then we have t is equal to minus 1, t is equal to 0. Only two values lies between minus 25 by 19 and 2 by 7. When t is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 25, y is equal to 2. When t is equal to minus 1, we get x is equal to 6. X is equal to 25 minus 19, 6, and y is equal to 9. Answer. So we get After solution, x is equal to 25, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 9. So the problem is solved. My today topic is completed. I shall meet you in my next class with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.